The goal is for you to use as little as you can of your own money and use other people's money to buy that certain real estate property. In today's world, real estate developers and financial institutions now offer a wider range of payment schemes. This allows more flexible terms for the tight budgeted individuals to live in a condo unit. All you have to do is to really find out and decide which payment term best suits you. Hi, this is Jung Fernando and I'm from Ramfer Financials. Kamusta po mga ka-RFF? Welcome back to our channel. You're in for another treat as we discuss another very important and interesting topic, this time about buying condominiums in the Philippines. Yes, you've heard it right. We will be talking about that for today. Rapid population and urbanization has changed the way the Philippines has viewed the real estate market. And if you're one of those who are contemplating on buying your own condominium in the country, we invite you to watch this video for 5 tips on what to consider before you make that big decision. Tip number 1, assess your property needs. Before even looking through some property units, you have to do some careful reflection first. You see, there are a lot of cons that come with condo living. Would it be fine for you to live next to a stranger? Or have you also considered that condo living can be less private when it comes to other residential options? Or may iba pa bang mga restrictions ito, like bawal yung paborito mong pet, or bawal yung pagpa-party sa gabi, bawal magpatulog ng ibang tao more than 5 people, and many other cons that you can think about. So, it is also important for you to ask yourself if you will be living alone or with a family or with a friend, with somebody else, because the size of a condo unit is also a priority. In a condo unit, there is less storage, less space, so it's very crucial that you also identify what you prioritize because it will provide you adequate space for the others who will be living in and as well as for your own belongings. Number 2 is know your budget. This is the most crucial and important consideration before you buy your own condo unit. You have to know first what you can spend for and the amount of money that you can invest before you buy a condo unit, and especially before you even check out all the available options. Huwag pong baliktad ha. Dapat alamin talaga muna natin magkano ba talagang pera ang nilalaan natin para sa big purchase po na ito. At hindi po yung mauuna tayo mag-inquire at magtanong sa broker ng mga options natin for a condo unit. If you do that, you are just setting yourself up for disappointment, or worse, you might even end up buying something that is so enticing but is way beyond your budget. Huwag rin po nating iisipin na ang pagsiset ng budget ay isang napakadaling bagay. We have to consider many other things, not just the price of the condo unit. There are things like association dues, rental fees, parking fees, at marami pa pong iba. So dapat lahat po ng klase ng mga expenses na ito ay naitatak in rin po natin when we try to identify our total budget. Which leads us to number 3. Know your finance option. You see, buying a condo unit is a big investment, and so if you want a considerable amount of ROI or return on investment, you have to also learn how to do leveraging. The goal is for you to use as little as you can of your own money and use other people's money to buy that certain real estate property. In today's world, real estate developers and financial institutions now offer a wider range of payment schemes. This allows more flexible terms for the tight budgeted individuals to live in a condo unit. All you have to do is to really Find out and decide which payment term best suits you. Ang mahalaga, hindi lang po tayo basta gumagaya lamang kung kanino. Maaaring yung kaibigan natin, sinasabi niya na, napakagaan ng payment terms na nakuha ko. Pero, tandaan natin, what may work for one may not work for the other. Iba-iba po tayo ng sitwasyon. Iba-iba rin pong payment terms ang pwedeng bumagay para sa atin. So, it's very important na alamin natin lahat ng ito para masukat talaga natin sa klase ng sitwasyon natin at sa klase po ng pamumuhay and even on the income that really goes inside our pockets. Sana din po hindi natin palampasin ang pandemic na ito because indeed, itong pandemyang ito, napakadami pong opportunities ang ino-offer. Isa na po dito ang pagbibili ng condo. Ang dami pong nagbagsakan ng presyo, ang dami rin pong on discounts ngayon, ang dami rin po talagang nagsilabasan na flexible payment terms for all of us. Kaya, let's take advantage of all of these things habang meron pa. Which leads us to the number 4th tip, which is to consider getting a good developer. Don't just be lured by the low prices. Always remember that there will always be something to compensate for it. Something has to give, ika nga, di ba? Hindi pwedeng free lunch palagi. Hindi rin pwedeng too good to be true. Kung meron man po kayo makikitang ganyang mga deals, matakot na rin po kayo. Ibig sabihin, malamang talagang substandard po ang mga materyales na pinanggawa ng condo unit, kaya naman po napakalaki nung bagsak presyo nito. Let's always be very careful and check out the fine prints as well para hindi po tayo naloloko eventually. Hindi po porkit mura ang isang condominium unit ay okay na po ito. Tandaan ninyo, lagi pong may kapalit ang mga bagay na yan. Marami na rin po kaming nadidinig ng mga developers na mababa ang singil pero hindi rin po nakapag-turnover eventually. Let's also be very wary of all of these things. Again, hindi po porkit mura, okay na siyang i-consider. Which leads us to 5th tip, which is to find the right location. You have to be very particular as well on the condo's location. Malapit ba ito sa hospital, sa places of worship, transport system, shopping mall? Ano bang priority mo? Saan ba dapat malapit ang kondong tinitignan mo? Puntahan mo rin, bisitahin mo rin ito in different parts of the day. Morning, evening, hapon, para alam mo rin yung sikat ng araw, saan tumatama, yung pag umuulan, bahain ba yung area, or mahirap ba ang tubig sa area na kung saan kinukonsider mo ang kondong ito, at marami pa pong ibang factors. Let us always be careful about all of these things kasi again, once you make that decision, napakalaki pong investment nito para tayo ay mag-regret. And so I hope this short video has somehow helped you in one way or another. And if you think you have friends and relatives who might be of need of these videos, I hope you can share this video to them. And for those who haven't yet, I hope you can click like to subscribe to our official YouTube channel, Ramfer Financials, and tap the bell button for our future notifications and other video uploads. And so this has been June Fernando saying thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on our next video. God bless!